Hey, it's Tony from the Young Emerging Actors Assembly at ACTRA. I'm here hanging out at the Real World Film Festival, and we're about to go check out the Shorts program. Hello, I am here with director Ricky Bryant and actor, producer, writer James Venezza. James? Yeah, James Venezza. Good. Got their names? Perfect. Wonderful job there from the film Sebastian that just played here at the Real World Film Festival at the Shorts program. So wonderful job, gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. I wanted to ask you, first of all, James, what inspired you to write and tell this story?
I think I was for the story, inspired just kind of like personal reasons, like, you know, that kind of stuff. But I also wanted to tell a queer story that wasn't very like negative based. It was just like a love story that happened to be queer, which I think is very rare in film right now. So absolutely, I thought that would be a good place to start from there.
Yeah, and it's wonderful. I think love stories are universal, right?
Yeah,
so it's brilliant. And when did this guy come on board?
He came on board shortly after I submitted to the Real World, and then when they accepted, I got Ricky to come and direct.
Awesome, Ricky. What attracted you to the script originally?
Honestly, it's a simple love story. You know what I mean? With a basic conflict. You know, life usually have plans for life, and things come along that you didn't plan on, and you got to make a decision on whether or not you're going to be, you know, going down, you know, this way or that way. So I mean, that really, you know, was the thing that drove me to it.
Absolutely, a really simple story, told a really great way. I noticed that throughout the film you used different locations as well. I believe there was a bar and a record store. How did you go about securing those locations? Maybe I should ask you, producer?
Just kind of like calling and begging and please let us use it, and then sort of working around time that it was free. You have to like rethink sort of things, so that's how I did it.
Absolutely. And what was it like just now with your film up there on the screen with everyone watching?
It was amazing, you know, to get the feedback, to know that, you know, what we were looking to get out of people are coming to us, commenting and saying that exact thing is just like amazing, you know, couldn't ask for anything else.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, gentlemen. It was a beautiful story. I know everyone really enjoyed it, so we will see you soon and enjoy the rest of the festival.